Colombia's Cordillera Chocolate is keenly awaiting its World Confectionery Conference appearance this September, as we discussed with the business at this year's Sweets Snacks Expo in Las Vegas, where the company launched its latest range of eco-friendly chocolate confectionery.
Thank you so much, Neill. It has been quite interesting and insightful since we are together, not just the chocolate ingredients companies, but also the brand. We can build a path together and work hand in hand to navigate this industry with some interesting trends that we are seeing within the market as well. So it has been an interesting and insightful first day. Interesting leads as well. We have been talking and discussing with important customers that we currently have, but also with potential ones.
Can you tell us about how the chocolate side of the business has evolved over time?
Yes, of course. Related with our chocolate, we have a special story which is behind of it. As you know, we are sustainable Latin American chocolate, and now our clients know that make sustainable chocolate make the difference in the industry. So this is so powerful now in this show, and also for the different clients and the leads that Natalie was mentioning. Is a huge story, and the strong credentials that we have that tell the story which is behind of all of the ingredients that we have now.
Regarding your biodiversity project, how has that been received by the market? Hopefully people have taken those messages on board, Natalie, would you say?
Definitely, it has been a sustainability program that is transforming the industry, because that biodiversity strategy enhances everything that we do, and most of our industrial clients and food service clients are starting to use that storytelling to tell their customers that they are also working towards a biodiversity conservation. So I would like to tell you about this program. This program has to do with doing a research. We conducted a research in our cocoa farms, and we found that in this space, in these cocoa farms, are cohabitating more than 500 species with the cocoa crop. So among mammals, reptiles, and also birds, and we are developing a strategy to protect those species. So we have been developing some conservation menus for gastronomical restaurants, and they are telling their consumers the story behind the chocolate. So that's a way to put more value onto the food. I mean, the food that we eat, or the food that a consumer eats.
There's some key chocolate lines being shown here at this year's event. What has the reception been to those from your visitors today?
I think the impression that we have today is so great, because as I was mentioning, our chocolate tells a very interesting story. So the impact and the message, and for the leads and the current clients that we have, it's been so good, and it gives us like differences that we have in the industry. We make different value, we make have different values on our products. So this make us understand how the industry works, and also how Cordillera can make a big difference as a sustainable Latin American chocolate.
Thanks, Sebastian, for joining us as part of the Cordillera team here. Your responsibilities for the US market, so how have things been going in the region from your perspective?
Yeah, so right now we're still experiencing a lot of volatility in the market, and that has been affecting the way of the market is moving right now. We expect to see more stability by H2 of this year, and we are eager to see how the mid-crop will be, and that will give us an idea on how is the market going to be, and how is the demand here in the US market going to be as well.
as an event here. How much are you enjoying being part of Sweets and Snacks here in Vegas?
A lot, enjoying a lot. This is a very good show. We see a lot of trends, a very wide portfolio of products from awesome brands, and eager to see what opportunities this expo show brings to us.
That's amazing. I just needed a